Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are hale and hearty. Welcome to NIEPS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shekha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Social Science class for the students of Class 2 on the topic Chapter 2, Reading Done, and today we will do True-False. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 2, Reading Done, and also we will do True-False. Students, this is lecture number 3, while our homework number will be also 3. Now students, please take your textbook. I'm going to read from you and then we will do True-False. So let's start. Students, open page number 2. Here you can see lesson 2, environment pollution. Today we will learn about environment pollution. By living in this world, we contaminate our environment that causes harm and discomfort to the environment. So as we are living in the world, we are using a lot of things for our own comfort, and we are contaminating the world also, and also the environment. We pollute the environment in many ways. Pollution can take many forms. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the ground where we grow our food can be polluted. So every sphere of our earth can be polluted. The air from where we are taking our breath, water that we are drinking, the field or the plain ground where we are growing our foods, all this can be polluted. Even the increasing noise we hear every day can be polluted. If the environment of our house is dirty, we suffer from disease. We make our roads dirty by coughing and spitting. If our roads are dirty, bad smell from the waste makes us uncomfortable. Therefore, polluted environment is harmful for our health. So what we used to do is to clean our house so that it can be neat and clean and we can be healthy. So like this way we have to keep our environment neat and clean, otherwise it will have a bad or harmful effect on our health. There are 4 kinds of environmental pollutions. So what are they? There are water pollution, air pollution, sound pollution, and soil pollution. So students, how many types or kinds of environment pollution are there? There are 4 kinds of environment pollution. Now stay with me. Number 1 is water pollution. Number 2 is air pollution. Number 3 is sound pollution. And last number is soil pollution. Here you can see a farmer is using insecticides in his land, and here you can see another picture, they are cutting trees. So these have negative impact in our environment. We throw wastes of the industry in the water, making the water polluted. So if we throw the wastes producing in our industry in the water, it will definitely pollute the water. Black smoke is going to the air from our cars and brick fields. This causes air pollution. So also the black smoke that is produced by our cars and brick fields also pollute our air. We make sounds in our houses and roads, causing sound pollution. So if we make sound louder and louder and in our house or roads, it will make sound pollution. We put artificial fertilizers in our agricultural lands. These are the causes of the soil pollution. So also artificial fertilizers means insecticides. This is chemical fertilizer, and these are not good for our agricultural land, and in this way we are polluting our soil. Through these pollutions, some areas of the world are becoming flooded and some becoming deserts. So we have to protect all these pollutions to live in our earth. Now students, come to page number 8. In per se, you can see some sentences are given for you. You have to find out whether these statements are true or false. So let's read the question. State whether the statements are true or false. First one, the question is saying water pollution comes from sound. I'm repeating, water pollution comes from sound. Students, do you think that water pollution is coming from sound? Do you think that? No, it's false because sound pollution comes from sound. So definitely it will be false. Water pollution comes from sound. It will be false. So write down false if A L is E. So first statement is false. Number 2, environmental pollution is a national problem. Students, do you think it is a national problem? Yes, this statement is true because environmental pollution is our national problem. So you have to write down here true. T-R-U-E. True. Now number 3, black smoke from car pollutes the air. Do you think it is true? Yes, it is true because black smoke from car pollutes the air. So write down here true. Okay, now come to number 4. Our environment is polluted by air, soil, water, and sound. What do you think? Is it true or false? Yes, definitely it will be true. Our environment is polluted by air, soil, water, and sound. So it will also be true. Students, write down here true. I'm repeating, water pollution comes from sound. False. Environmental pollution is a national problem. True. Black smoke from car pollutes the air. True. Our environment is polluted by air, soil, water, and sound. This one is also true. Students, this true false will be your homework. I'm repeating, your homework will be true false from chapter 2. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.